Hello, my name is Juan Perez with Shoki Plumbing. We're dealing with an older upstairs shower, an older home with an upstairs shower that has a little bit of a drain problem. The good thing about Shoki Plumbing is we're always on the cutting edge of technology when it comes to clearing any drain. We're going to be using this foaming agent that's exclusive only to Shoki Plumbing and does have an awesome warranty once we clear it. I'm going to foam it now. And now guys, what we're gonna do is let that sit for about 10-15 minutes, then run our hot water. It should be wide open back to its original state. Thank you so much. Twice the service, twice the care.